Costa Mesa. We're doing our first activity. Yeah, we'll see you there. My hair actually grows super fast.
That's good.
That's good.
That's kind of like my hair too.
Like I feel like even last week my like, look how long my side hair is getting.
I'm so hungry.
We're gonna eat after.
I had a good sleep last night. Huh? What?
Because it was with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time flies by so fast. Should we start eating now?
I volunteered last night and we got some free food from the California Chicken Cafe.
It is a little bit windy, so I pulled out my jacket.
It's called like OC Model Engineers. It's a free train ride.
And apparently it's all kids.
It's all kids. I didn't know it was gonna be all kids.
But we're on the train. Definitely need some vitamin D right now.
All right, folks, have your attention for a safety announcement real quick. Now I can't hear it. I know.
It kind of reminded me of like one of those Studio Ghibli's cartoon. Yeah, I'm wearing the wrong outfit. How do you like it so far?
It's kind of cold, but it's really fun.
Yeah, it is. Why am I the only one waving?
So how was it?
I like it. I feel like if that was in real life,
What do you mean real life?
I'm
That was
saying
real.
like if it's like actually trained, and I was like actually
like an
taking it
adult
to work,
size.
yeah, then I'd probably do that,
I just felt bad because we were sitting in like the way front.
which is great.
Yeah, but I just felt like I was taking experience away from little kids. But it was about 15 minutes in total.
Yeah, because it goes 2 laps.
Mm.
It's a pretty fun experience.
We're gonna go eat brunch now.
Okay.
It's a little late, but bye. How's your latte?
Well, they didn't add any sugar, but I like it.
He didn't?
Well, Thomas is being grumpy right now, and I have no idea what just happened. Anyway, my latte is really good. I don't usually add any sugar in them.
So afterwards, we're gonna go get dessert and then go shopping a little bit.
Where
Oh, just like cute little stores.
food is here. I order Cobb salad.
Order like avocado toast.
I ordered a salad because I had the sandwich earlier. I know nobody asked, but I just feel like explaining. Their bacon is really crunchy. There's a Frenchie in front of us. It's like right outside the restaurant. Because we're sitting indoor. The Frenchie is so cute.
I asked my mom for like her vintage cameras and like, video recorders. So I have like this small project in mind. I just want to like create like nostalgic like 90s vibes videos. There's this one movie that I told her to watch called Old Boy. It's like a twisted Korean movie, but it's like one of like the Korean classics. But she's like traumatized of like 90s films now.
Well, I'm not traumatized by the 90s vibe, whatever. But then the content itself in the movie was horrendous. Like I can't imagine if that happened in real life. It's called Old Boy. It's on Netflix. Don't watch it if you're not ready.
It's been like 20 minutes since I finished my meal. And she's still not done, but she's done. So we're here. The place is called Goodies.
Hi.
So we're going to a Mexican market. It's like a new market, I think, but they have a bunch of like...
Oh, is it new? Oh my god.
But they have a bunch of dessert places. Oh, zero. It's like they have a bunch of like stuff to look at, I think, too.
Last month I had COVID. Around 2.
What is this?
You think it's so funny or something? It's green! Ah!
So that is the market.
So apparently the churros from here is really, really popular. We're just not sure right now if we're gonna stay in the line for this. Cause it seems like it's gonna take up like hours. But should we be in the line for that?
I don't know. Do you want a churro?
I mean, I do want a churro, yeah. Okay. Okay, the line is not that bad.
I think it's gonna take about an hour.
Somebody's sneezing, so let me stay away from that, even though I'm sick already. So we can keep talking. So how do you like? Got 2 churros. I got my favorite churro. It's very crusty, and I feel like the dough is also really well blended.
You're not a chef. Just say it's good.
It's
Give
good.
it like 10 out of 10 or...
10 out of 10.
Pretty good. I love the creaminess and it's so savory. It's so... So we're at our last spot before we're gonna go to dinner or think about dinner. We're just gonna thrift. Don't be weird.
Excuse me. Did you find anything good so far?
That's so tiny.
I like this one. I had a pretty long day. I don't like this angle. And I'm not gonna repeat myself more than 2 times. I don't like this angle. Okay, it's already, it's been 2 times. We're at the second location, which is right across the street from camp. And we're gonna head in because apparently there's more thrift stores in here. Well, let's get going. I like it.
So we're done shopping.
Thomas didn't get anything, but I got myself a skirt. Yay! Because I feel like I deserve a complimentary item from being with Thomas for so long.
Shut up.
So we are heading back home. We have no idea what to eat for dinner because, are you hungry?
Not yet.
Oh. This man says he wants to eat In-N-Out. Do you still want In-N-Out?
I don't really care. I just want something fast. Just eat at home. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.